Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix you can't send messages for 3 days on Instagram. And the second part of the error says something you sent in a chat went against our community guidelines. And under the error, there's a button that takes you to the community guidelines page. However, there's no option for you to appeal and you won't be able to send messages. So I'm going to show you 4 methods on how you can fix this error. So solution number 1 is for you to wait for 3 days. So to send messages again, you need to wait for 3 days, and in some cases you might need to wait for more than 3 days to be unrestricted. And the you can't send messages for 3 days error is temporary, and you'll eventually be able to send messages again. So then the second solution is for you to use another account. So if you're restricted from sending messages from one account, you want to be restricted on another. So to switch your accounts, you go to your profile and then you tap on your username and select the account that you want to switch to. And if you don't have another Instagram account, you need to create one by going to your profile, tapping on your username and selecting add account. So then the third solution is for you to use Instagram web. So this can work either when you're using either laptop or even on mobile. So you go to instagram.com and then you log into your account, select messages and try sending a message. Then the other last solution is for you to report as a problem. And to do so, you open your Instagram, then you click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then select settings. Then under settings, you select help, then select report a problem, which is the first option. Then disable shake photo to report a problem, then click report a problem. So then now you can be typing what I'll be showing you here, and then after that you're going to submit. So after typing that, you click next and then send a report. So after sending the report, after a few hours they will get back to you. So thanks for watching. I hope these methods work for you, and you can check these other videos that could be of help, and see you in my coming videos. Happy New Year.